In this short video, I'll show you how to do an MLA style block quotation in Microsoft Word. This is for MLA 9th edition. So if you have a direct quotation that runs more than 4 lines long in your essay, you want to offset it as this yellow quotation is here. Now, it's only highlighted yellow for this example. Obviously, you wouldn't have it highlighted yellow in your actual essay. So this is what the end result would look like. But let me undo this so that you can see what it should look like beforehand, and then you can do it yourself. Okay. So let's say you have a long direct quotation. You have the quotation marks at the beginning and the end, your citation, and a period at the end of the citation. But if we see here, we have more than 4 lines long. This direct quotation is more than 4 lines long. So I want to make it a block quote. So in order to do that, I'm going to go to the start of the quotation and push the enter key. And I'm going to go to the very end and push the enter key. I don't want it to be a new paragraph, right? Because it was part of the same paragraph here. I just want it to go on a new line down at the bottom. So I do not want the indent. I want that indent to go away. Okay. And I want this to be all on the left side. So here's my quotation flat against the left side. Go ahead and click and select all the lines of the quotation. And if you push the tab key on your keyboard, it will tuck them in. The other thing that you could do in Microsoft Word is push this little button. That will increase the indent and push it all over. Okay, now that it's indented, we no longer need quotation marks because the indent basically says, hey, this is a quotation. So you can take off the quotation marks. And now that we've done that, we're going to take the period from here and put it here, which is one of the only times you're going to do that because most of the time the period would be at the end of the parentheses. So let me take off the highlights so you can see what that looks like. So here's the start of our paragraph. And then here's the start of our sentence that has our signal phrase. And then our direct quotation starts here. Because it's more than 4 lines long, we call it a block quotation. And it is all indented here, a 1/2 inch. Our period comes at the end, then our citation, because it's a block quotation. And then the next sentence starts on a brand new line, but it is not a new paragraph, so there's no indent because it's still part of the same paragraph. No new paragraph.